the boating adventure, community post, channel update number 38. Well, a very good morning to you and welcome to Kenny the Kayak. I'm just paddling down the Pocklington Canal, which will form a video in the near future. But I just wanted to remind you of my next video, which is going out on Saturday the 29th of July 2023 at 8 AM. And that will be a video of a visit that Steve and I undertook to Bridlington, and we went out to sea on the Bridlington boat called the Yorkshire Belle, and we had a really fantastic afternoon, and it took us to the Flamborough area and to the bird sanctuaries on the cliffs at Flamborough and at Bempton. It gave us the opportunity to get some really good footage of the birds. So if you want to see that video, join me on Saturday the 29th of July 2023 at 8 AM. Thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.